I'm turning 50K into 500K in just 1 year. We are 1 week in, and the progress is incredible so far. I wanted to bring you along for a quick review of week number 1 of 52 of this challenge. Okay, long story short, made £1,000 this week. Really good. Like, I can't quite believe it. We've only actually put in about £7,000 of the £50,000 that we're going to be putting in. And even with that small amount of money, increased the portfolio by 15.8%. So wonderful. This is really good. My vision for this dashboard, which I produced by AI, by the way, what an amazing technology, which you're going to see come to fruition in a massive way in the next couple of minutes here. We've created this dashboard. It's going to show us all of the revenue streams, the income streams, the passive income streams. You'll see. We've got lots of streams here to turn this 50 into 500. You can see just right here from the get-go, we've got a few features in here that I want to talk about because we're going to be familiar with this platform in almost every video, reflecting on our journey and progress. So what you can see right there is a chart. That's the Bitcoin price chart over the last 90 days. The green lines are when I've made purchases in this portfolio. And as you can see, we're doing wonderfully. That line that goes across, it's kind of dotted. That is a line where I will not buy above that line. So I think we're going to be below that line for quite some time. And as long as my strategy continues, we will end up buying about 15 different times, which will get us up to that £50,000 allocated into the market. Now, you can see a whole bunch of things happening here. Our crypto portfolio is now worth £5,951. Our stock portfolio is £1,374. The overall dollar cost average strategy that we're doing, the profit from it has been £984, which is up 15.5%. I wanted to show you this view as well. This shows you all the assets, the average price that we've paid for them, how many entries we've had and haven't had, the percentage of each asset in the portfolio, and the individual P&L for each one. We also have a trading bot that hasn't gone live yet, but you can check it out using the link in the description. It learns over time. We use 36 computers simultaneously around the world, crunching 3.5 million data points per computer, trying to figure out what the price is going to do for Bitcoin. That will be displayed on here in terms of like how much it's made me or lost me over time. That will be displayed on here, but you can visualize the whole thing using the link in the description. Now, I mentioned very briefly yesterday on Instagram about how I've created an airdrop farm. Now, airdrops are very complex. I will talk about them in a future video, but our airdrops so far have officially launched. Basically goes out there and puts you in as best position as possible to make the most amount of money from airdrops. I have a friend of mine who's also a YouTuber. He made $60,000 in a year on airdrops alone. That is free money. So I don't have to put any money into this. Well, not very much, 66 cents so far, to potentially make tens of thousands of dollars from this year. So airdrop farming is what I'm doing. That's already started. You can see from yesterday, all of these actions are being taken to put us in a position to get our airdrops. Now, airdrops is one element of this, but there are so many more elements that I want to introduce you to. One thing that I'm going to talk about here is going to be basically a really quiet launch. If you're watching this video, I don't expect many people will. You're in a pretty golden position right now, and I want to tell you why. Not only am I investing in crypto and in stocks and shares and my trading bot, I'm also investing in businesses. And when I say investing, I mean investing my time in building businesses. And those businesses will play a role in me getting to the point where I make $500,000 this year. Remember, I also said $500,000 this year was the goal that I have told you. My goals are far higher than that. So we're going to push towards it. There's a few different things that are going on here. One of them is that I have a prediction market bot. Essentially, I'm looking at the different things that can happen in the world and predicting them. That has just started, and I've just tried experimenting with that. So far, we are £8 in profit with that. But look, we've only lost £2 in these predictions, and we've made £10. So actually, the ROI on that money is extremely high, and continue that and develop it as we go. Now, there's something else in here. We have the Kent token. This is, I'm going to say this very quietly, I have made my own cryptocurrency. And very quickly, I'm just going to tell you, Kent token is a clone of XRP. I completely cloned XRP and did to this what XRP can't do, and that is generate a yield. So I've created basically a yielding version of XRP for passive income, and I've built a whole business around it. This is one of the businesses that I've launched. I actually want to show you it here. This is Kent token. You can get yield. You can connect it with your Zarman right now, connect it all up and start staking and borrowing and lending, all kinds of stuff right now. It's kind of incredible. And if I look at this, I launched this and didn't tell anyone about it, up in price. So people are buying it. I don't understand. Maybe it's bots or something. Point is, this is a very soft launch of it. I'm not going to say much more. So with that, there are obviously revenue streams. I'll be very transparent about it. I will make a whole video on it. Essentially, we now have £23,000 of value across the different wallets that we have. Last I checked, I put £150 in, so I'm not entirely sure. We'll have to figure that one out. I've never made a cryptocurrency before. I don't know how it works. I completely worked with AI entirely to build this thing, but it is a direct clone of XRP. We just added the feature functionalities of yield generation into it. So Kent token is going to be a huge one. I will put the link in the description, but don't tell anyone about it yet because it's not entirely launched yet. So, look at it at your own risk. And finally, there are launch pools. The launch pools haven't yielded anything yet because we haven't started in any launch pools, but we are working on adding that in. So we have so many things: prediction markets, we have Kent token, we have launch pools, we have the trading bot, we have the actual portfolio that we're investing in. And finally, we have Confirmed. Confirmed is another business that I've added to the repertoire. This one is going to be extremely useful for me in making content, and I want to show it to you here. Confirmed is a news outlet. It's a news aggregator. We're going to aggregate all the news that comes in and publish 3 stories every single day. The unique element about this is, one, that when you click on an article, it tells you the level of factuality. So when people are talking about stuff, how factual is it? Every single thing that is claimed in the stories that we read in those articles, you'll see, what's the evidence for it? What are the weaknesses of this argument? What's the conclusion? We can basically see with this entire story, it's 100% plausible, but not confirmed. And so you can go into any of these stories and see this story right here about the bear market signal that the Bitcoin indicator just flashed red after 3 years. That is 20% of the outlets reporting on this were speculative, 60% were plausible but not confirmed, and then 20% of the outlets that reported on this topic were actually just misleading. Wouldn't it be wonderful to know exactly which outlets were being misleading? Well, you can see. Crypto Potato is misleading on this story. So we are adding some features to this, like creator claims. This will track all of the claims that people make on their YouTube videos and actually see how accurate are those claims. So you can be best informed with a leaderboard of the most factual YouTubers out there. And the same goes for all the sources as well. So every news outlet that you have in crypto, there's a leaderboard for them in terms of accuracy, just to keep you with the right information. Of course, all of these businesses have a subscription model, some sort of revenue model. You can check those out and see what you think. But what I'm trying to say is that we have businesses here that we're setting up, so many different revenue streams that hopefully will get us to this £500,000 mark a year. Obviously, I'm making these things myself. Oftentimes, these are first time that I'm doing these things. So if you are going to show interest in these projects, please do so with caution. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm adamant I will make it to 500,000 and more. That's the update. So as you can see, we're £1,000 up in the first week. That's wonderful. It's not the speed we need to be going to reach 500,000, but for the first week with such a small amount of investment so far, that is a wonderful return. 15% is incredible. Keep you up to date. I'll be following up with videos next week on the specific assets that are in my portfolio. I will officially launch the Kent token. I'll be interested to know if any of you can guess why it's called Kent. It's a nice little Easter egg for everyone. I'll be updating you on Confirmed when that launches, the trading bot when that launches, the launch pools when I start that, and so on and so forth. And also the prediction bot as well. So much going on. This is the 10x challenge. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.